Hello internet friends and family. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, 2013. It's another scorcher out there. I can't believe how hot my car was after I got in it after work tonight. So I'm finishing up the rest of my walk, courtesy of air-conditioned PetSmart, and I stopped over here in the pet adoptions area because there's this adorable puppy who's now doing his business, so we won't show him. But anyway, I will put that clip in right after this. Okay, I'm at PetSmart and there is this dog. Look how high he's jumping. Oh my gosh. He's in the pet adoptions area. He's a target dog. He's got those spots on his, or those circles around his eyes. Come here, puppy. Look at him. He's kind of crazy. He's just a cleaning person over there. He wants out. And now we have bird tricks. Okay, come on, bird. You were just showing off. Now we're doing the one arm hang. Okay, we just switched arms, legs, feet. There we go. Upside down. Here's doing complete flips. There we go. See? Entertain yourself at PetSmart. And here we go, climbing up the links. Thank you, birdie. I think we'll call this one bird gymnastics.
Looks like a puppy. We have one, yeah, they sleep in tents.
Oh, really?
They're the only birds that don't perch to sleep.
Oh, wow. Just trying to stay cool the best I can. 3 days till a cruise departs. So excited. So I'm here at PetSmart getting litter and food for my nephew who's going to cat sit the kids while I'm gone. So you have to take care of all those little last minute kind of details. There's the puppy. So anyway, stay cool, stay hydrated, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.